Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And to some of you, I made a promise that I'll be creating a course on how to create a shopping app and e-commerce app using Flutter. So I'm still working on it. I'm extremely sorry for the delay, but until it completes, I'll be publishing a course that I previously created. In this course, I'll be teaching you how to create a to-do list app. So this is going to be very helpful for beginners, and we are also going to cover some advanced topics. So we are going to start from scratch. I'll show you how to set up the development environment, how to create a new Flutter project, how to execute the code in a real and a virtual device, and how to create layouts in Flutter, the basic things, then how to store data locally on an SQLite database. Then I'll also teach you how to make HTTP requests to a remote backend from the Flutter app. Then during the process you will learn about state management. So there is a concept called state management in Flutter. So you will realize that we can manage states using callback functions in a simple app, but as you keep on adding new features, as your app grows in complexity, it becomes difficult to manage states using the default approach. In such a case, we can use some of the sophisticated techniques like provider, block, etc. And provider is the one recommended by the Flutter team for beginners. So I'll show you the problems that appears without using these packages, and then I'll show you how to solve those problems using the provider package. Then I'll also teach you the basic concepts of animation in Flutter, and then we shall implement those in the app itself. So you will learn how to make small animations in Flutter, and then you will implement those you will add those to the different components of the UI of your to-do list app. And then I'll also teach you how to write automated tests for the different components of your Flutter app, for the widgets, for the unit tests, etc., for the classes, functions, etc. So subscribe to the channel and take a look at the description, because there I'll be posting the links to the different lessons of the course. I'll be publishing the course in different parts, in bite-sized lessons, so that it becomes easier for you to consume the information and then implement that yourself. So take a look at the description. You will find the links to the different lessons, and subscribe to the channel because I'm working on more courses. The shopping app, the e-commerce app is coming, and then I'll also publish a course on how to create a recipe app using Flutter and Firebase. So subscribe to the channel and take a look at the description for the links.